Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm sorry, but I'm whispering because my daughters are asleep right now. So today's video, I'm gonna be making one of these storage boxes using picture frames that I got from the dollar store, and I will be using a square mirror, some of this pearl wrap, one of these picture frames I got from the Dollartree, some gems, and I will be using some paint and this duct tape. It's so pretty. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you guys, is, well, can I just tell you guys, this started off as a DIY where I'm just gonna paint the frame, the black one, but it turned out to be the most difficult DIY ever. Not difficult, but really, really annoying and hard to get around and stuff. It was so messy and yeah. But here I am trying to paint the frame, and I didn't want to use spray paint because I feel like it's so toxic, and I normally do my DIYs at night when I get a chance. So yeah. So guys, I decided to paint the frame silver. Trials, I'm trying to do this and it's just not working properly. I feel like the best thing for you to do is to just spray this, because if you're using paint, it's so much more difficult on these frames. So go ahead and spray it. Okay, so I decided to add some duct tape all over this frame, like all over it. I got this duct tape from the Dollar Tree and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna use this. I used up the whole roll of tape, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I did this. Okay, so the first thing I did is I got a piece of tape that's the same length as the side of the mirror that I'd like to cover. And I did it from the inside. I taped it from the inside and I made sure that it was flat and there were no bubbles. And then I flipped it over onto the edge of the frame. So I did this for all four sides. Look how pretty this is though. So this part I'm gonna just cover the edge of the mirror, and this is gonna be on the side of the mirror. So this is, I don't know if I can explain it properly. Thank God you guys are seeing. But yeah, this is my second resort. Oh my god. This was the most messiest DIY ever. But it really came out okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the other side as well. You guys, my hands are all filled with paint. Oh my god, this was so funny. Okay, so again, I'm doing the storage box without any hinges. I'm gonna use duct tape because I forgot to pick up hinges at the store. So yeah, let's see how this comes up. So I painted the glass because it was so messy. I painted the glass inside the mirror, and I will be adding the pearl wrap into it. Okay, so here I am adding the pearl wrap, and I used the glue gun to stick this on. Okay, and let's go ahead and try to do these hinges. So the first thing I did is that I added a piece of duct tape onto the bottom part of the frame. And I'm going to flip the sticky side over and stick it onto the side of the bottom frame, which is the duct taped frame. Okay. It's a little bit difficult, but you have to take your time with it because it's going to be so sticky all over the place. Okay, so I'm just going to smooth that over with pressure, of course. And this is how it's looking. I'm going to reinforce that with another piece. And let's see how it opens. Yeah. So you guys, I'm going to add another piece of tape in the center there. And I'm going to add another one as well. The more reinforcement, the better. Okay, and I decided to put my mirror in the middle. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm gonna add that in the middle and I'm gonna put duct tape all around it. I honestly don't know how long this is gonna last because I didn't add any E6000 to the duct tape, but I just want to see how it comes out because it's really fun to do, but it was annoying as well. So I'm gonna add the duct tape all around the mirror. And I decided to add some duct tape on the edges of the frame at the top as well. Again, very easy to do, just these little pieces. And you apply all the pressure and you trim the edges. So I'm gonna do that for all four sides. And then I decided to add some diamond wrap, and this is the end product, you guys. I am gonna clean my mirror. Now I'm gonna add in my makeshift knob. Can I put the diamond with the pointy side down? And I'm gonna do a couple of these. And I'm gonna add one to the top so it will be easier to grab onto it to open the door. So I'm just gonna wait till this dries up, and here we have it, guys. This is the crazy finished product of this duct tape storage box, and it really came out okay, you guys. It really came out nicely and it looks so sleek. I do have to add a couple more pieces of diamond wrap to the edges. I ran out of diamond wrap, but it really came out okay. And there you have it. Could be a storage for jewelry, storage for books, something special. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.